Good morning, everyone. On what could potentially be the last day in France, maybe. For a while, anyway. Don't know yet. I haven't decided. Need to make a plan. I've got everything pretty much ready. I've got a full tank of fuel, full cupboards, pretty much. But yeah, don't know. I need to have a look actually. Do a bit of research on Switzerland, because last time I went, I sort of looked at what are the best roads and stuff before I went. So obviously then found all the awesome stuff. I don't just want to go in blind. The side that we're sort of coming in, that's where Geneva is and all that. So I've not been there before. Then when I went in last time, I came in at the bottom, went sort of across a little bit and then came back out again. So this time we're coming from top down. I don't know, see how we get on, eh? I've got a couple of books up here on Europe and stuff, so I'll have a little look in them, see if there's anything interesting to see on the way. But yeah, exciting. Just got a few bits to do this morning though before I do anything else. I need to make some more music, and I'm going to edit yesterday's video now because I left it too late yesterday. That's why I was up a bit late. But problem then, I run into solar issues. So while I got good sun, the sun's just coming up now, so it's going to be over the van for the next 4 or 5 hours. So I might as well get this bit out of the way, and then can figure out what we're going to do, eh? There are a couple of bits that I would like to revisit actually. I've been to before, but I want to go again. One of them was called Grimsel Pass. That was like mega. And another one was the Stelvio Pass. You've probably seen that on if you watch Top Gear, or used to watch Top Gear before it went shit. I went to that before in my little van, but I feel like that deserves a revisit because it was mental. Never seen a road like that before. So if I can try and tie a route together that's going to involve those places, then we'll have it. Like literally, I don't care. You know how obviously you've got the border here and you got Italy, Switzerland. I don't care if I have to go like this. Like, as long as I enjoy myself, it doesn't make any difference to me. Get on with me little bits, my little job that I've created for myself, and I'll check back with you in a little bit. Probably be a few hours. Right. While that video is on the upload, I'm going to go up here to that thing, so I've just been up and had a quick look, and there's a drain where you can dump all your stuff, and there's water and there's bins, so might as well go refresh everything, and really it's going to have to be a slow drive because that's going, and we don't want that ending up on the deck, do we? Might as well do it now while there's no one else messing around with it. Slow drive. Steady. Steady. I don't know how I'm going to line up my water. That's going to be interesting because the drain cover is about the size of a basketball, so going to need some precision driving. Right, I'm going to do the bog first. You don't need to see that again, do you? I've already shown you it once, so if you really want to see that, go back and watch the other video. There we go. This is the water in it. I'm going to fill up the jugs again. I've already used any anyway, but might as well, haven't we? Right, ladies and gents, it is time to make a bloody move. Everything's done, everything's emptied, everything's refilled. So, ready to swap countries, I think. I need to have another look at the map, because I'm not entirely sure. Oh shit. That's bad. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure where we are or how far we've got to go. But we'll figure it out. Video's posted as well, scheduled, so don't have to worry about that. Phone, battery, camera, just in case. That's it. I'm sweating buckets. Why is it every time when I decide it's time to do my shit at the air, like do my water and everything, everyone else decides it's time to do theirs as well. Like, there's two other motorhomes here, and they were just sat doing all morning, and literally the second I took the lid off that drain, both queuing up behind me. Like, just swing the van round because I need these flipping blowers on me, otherwise I'm going to pass out. Oh. Bagger. Tell you what, already the spots are looking a bit more sparse. Where should we go in? I feel like I want to drive a little bit today because I've hardly been anywhere. Parking. It's already looking a bit pish, to be honest. What's this? Oh, man. Flies, I tell you what, they do my head in. Where is it? Nah, eat shit. Right. I'll tell you what. A lot of these you have to flipping pay for. That's no good, is it? I don't know where to go, you know. I mean, that is Andy Ever van de Allen. Should we make a start there? Just in. Just have a look and see what we're dealing with. Literally, all of these you have to pay for. Not ideal, is it? Right, there we go. 29 kilometres, so I think we'll be in Switzerland in like 10 or 15. So yeah, here we go. Little village where we were staying. It's quite nice actually.
Continue en route.
Nice little town. I got their headlights on. That would have been great, wouldn't it? Go into Switzerland and get fined after about 2 minutes. Imagine. Mission to see who can have the most colourful house. Now, every house is a different colour. Line on the sat-nav. That's the border. Oh, look at that. Cameras as soon as we get in. There you go. That's it, people. in bloody Switzerland. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. There's like a bird's nest on top of the church roof. A sign of things to come. This is what the spot is. Jesus. We're right in the middle of a city at the minute. Come straight into a massive city. What's it called? We're only just in Switzerland though. Bear in mind. Porrentruy? Something like that. But just seeing it coming over that hill then, massive. I don't think I'm going to stay here. But I'll have a look on the thing now and see where to go. Right, I'll just close the roof because I reckon it's going to piss it down at some point. But I think I know where I'm going. Place de Bugnon, Les Ponts de Martel. But apparently it's at 1200 metres. So, a bit of a drive though, 80 kilometres, but I ain't staying here. I don't like cities, crap. Just end up sitting here worrying all night, won't I? I imagine there's plenty to see here, but so cities ain't really my thing, to be honest. So gonna do a bit of a drive. It's still quite early, 10 to 4. So that says R5. That's about right, isn't it? There's not many of these spots. Quite few and far between the free ones. Anyway, there's a few paid ones, but I ain't doing that. Right. Get a drive on, see what we can find. It's just better already, isn't it? Mountain Road's already getting hard work. Struggling a bit, but I just have to go slow. Can't even like put into words how happy I am right now. I'm so sick. Just like every road's mint. Cities. Probably wasn't the smartest idea coming through here at flipping 20 past 5. Oh well. I don't make the decisions, she does. It's horrendous, this is. First got stuck in roadblock pretty much. Then the road was closed, so sat-nav had a meltdown. People always ask me why I never like going to cities when I go away on these trips, and well, yeah, this is why, because they are horrible. I don't even know what city I'm in. That was awful, that one. You know when you're doing it on your own and you've not got like someone there to keep an eye out that side for you. Got people pulling out all over the place. Oh well, we're alive, we made it, so. Tractor would be a good photo. Shit. Damn. Nowhere to pull over. Here's me assuming that because we're in the valley, we're quite low down. So I was thinking, oh, we must be going up the sides sometime soon. I just put the elevation on the sat nav, and we're at flipping 1,000 metres. We're at 1 kilometre above sea level. What the hell? So this is the town we're staying in then. The farm stuff everywhere. Meters away. Somewhere down here, apparently. Lovely feeling. It's going to be shit. It's just a car park. Yeah, that'll do, wouldn't it, for an overnighter? Don't know what that place is. Got a bloody volleyball court there. Screw it. I've had enough driving for one day anyway, so. Oh, I've got arse ache. And there we go. Switzerland. Oh. Alright, I'm going to have a chill for a bit now after a long day in the saddle. Nice. Question is, oh, my phone just crashed. We've got 3G. It's progress. Let's take a picture of you lot. Alright, I'm starving. So, temperature's nicer here as well. I think it's about 20 degrees or something. Bit more chilling, so to speak. Tell you what, it feels like I've been driving all day. I basically have, to be honest, but I've only done like 70 kilometres. It's just up, down, isn't it? Getting stuck in that city, didn't know. I was there for about an hour. Time to chill. The van is shaking. It's that windy up here. Hope we don't blow over. Imagine. Right, guys, I'm going to sign off for today. Because I'm knackered, but I'll see you in the morning, as long as we don't get blown away during the night, because it's kicking up a bit of a gale. But look at the sky, sick. Yeah, alright little spot, not too bad. So yeah, I'll see you lot in the morning. Why is it I always seem to find places where the church is going off at flipping 10:30 at night?